Want to know how to create videos on Likee app? I'll teach you how to do it today. Welcome back to Daily Tutorials. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. I am already logged in. Make sure you are as well. Now tap on this capture option on the bottom center next to explore and next to inbox as well. This will provide you a feature of live video, photo and super mix. On the very right part, you can see that you have an option of switching. With switch, you can see that you can switch the camera back and front. The camera's position will be switched from back to front or front to back. With time, you have an option of setting the countdown from 3 seconds to 5 seconds and giving an option for the capturer to keep it slow and give them a pause as well. With duration, you can choose the duration of the video, be it 15 seconds, 30 seconds or 60 seconds. I'm going to keep it 15 seconds. With below, you have an option of speed. With speed, you can see that you can increase or decrease the speed of the video. With 0.3 seconds, you're going to make it super slow. With 0.5 seconds, keep it slow. With 1 time, you can keep it normal. And 2 times, you can keep it faster. 3 times, super faster. So you can do that. Below beauty, you have an option of adding more beauty to the video by adding more smoothness and even whiteness, and they will just add up to it. Below it is an option of filter. With filter, you can see that you have an option of choosing lots of filter and making a shimmer, creating a gift, and there are various options on the top like portrait, scenery, food, style, vibes. You can select any one of them. So I am going to create a video. Just stay tuned with me. For capturing a video, all you have to do is keep this camera on this subject and then hold the capture option for as much a period of time that you like. You can even change the subject just like me or keep it random and provide expressions. I am just randomly going to do this just like this. Tap on the stick option on the very right corner if you're okay with the video being less than 15 seconds, because more than 15 seconds they will just finish the video by themselves. So you can see that I've just created a very short video keeping a random object, and you have an option of select music, enhance filter, subtitle, cover on the very corner right, and then edit, touch magic, effect, mix, time magic on the left bottom. I have just explained about each features on my next video. You can go and watch there about how to upload videos on Likee. Here I'm randomly going to select music and I'm going to tap on this more option to select and search one of the music that I like and want to add on this video. You can do the same by applying, and when you're done you can tap on this next option. Here you have an option of adding a caption. I am going to keep it random and then add some hashtags. Hashtags will help people to reach you faster. Friends. With friends, you can add any of the friends to make notify them or notify the followers who follows them. Now you have an option of keeping it public or private. With permission, you can provide permission to the people who follow you to do it with this video, save this video, or even comment on this video, or even the public one. So for draft, if you want to upload it later, you can tap on draft and upload it later. So if you want to post, you can tap on post on the bottom right. Just by doing it, you can see that your video has been uploaded. Go on to this me on the bottom right and check your video. So we have just created a video from the Likee app. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.